What's going on, everybody? Doug Lane here, Fastlane. Apparently, I don't have very good data, so this will probably be kind of iffy, but I want to give you guys a little tip for doing frameless windows. Now, what I mean by frameless window is like this. Right here, there's no door frame, no window frame. When you open the door, you know the window is completely exposed. Now, if you watch right up here, right now I hit the door handle, it rolls down. It does this automatically. And it does this so that it doesn't put pressure on this corner and catch this seal and, damage the window or anything like that. Well, this obviously isn't going to work out very well if you're tinting the windows, because you need the window to be up all the way to get your cut, and you need it up all the way so you can get the bottom of it squeegeed out. So here's a little trick. This will work on any car with a frameless window. Just take your screwdriver and flip the door. Flip that little door hinge there, and it'll basically just trick the car into thinking that the window or the door is shut, so the window will go all the way up. Now the thing is, you cannot shut the door all the way. You can leave it sit here, cracked open, and that's fine. If I were to shut it, it's going to put pressure on this glass and on this door seal, which it wouldn't be good. So you just do that little trick, and like I said, tricks the window or the door into, window, whatever. Tricks the car into thinking the door is shut, rolls the window all the way up, keeps it up there. Now the only thing you have to worry about is just don't shut the door all the way. Not a big deal. Second thing, on any new car, any of these little stickers that are on here, these have to come off because the window tint's not going to stick to those correctly. So that'll be the next step in pulling these off. A lot of people say that these sports cars, Camaros, Mustangs, BMWs, Porsches, are difficult because they have this tight back seat, tight back window. They're really not that bad. I mean, it takes a little bit of finesse and whatnot, but it's just like anything else. You figure out a way to do it and you get used to it. But I just wanted to share that little tip if you guys wanted to try that yourself at home, or wanted, whatever you want to do with that information. There you have it. So I'll see you guys on the next video.